Traditional kitchen never go out of style. Hi all, namaste. Today we are introducing our handcrafted hammered finish brass handis with Kalai coating, made for the home that loves timeless cooking and elegant serving. This is one of the new model of brass handi with beautifully handmade with hammered finish. It's tin coated with a sturdy handle. It comes with a lid. We have this in two different sizes. One is 3 liter capacity and another one is 1.5 liter capacity. This is another new model of brass handi which has a flat base with a ring handle type, and this also comes with a tin coating with a lid. And we have only one size in this, that is 3 liter capacity. We have many more collections in brass cooking essentials. You can check out our website and place your order today. Thank you.